Make a great choice today with the 2024 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.